How are you guys doing?
Good. Pretty good.
We're in Dover today, which is northeast of Tampa. Beautiful farm country out here.
It is so serene. You have a lot of space between neighbors.
I used to play soccer half a mile from where this lot is. I mean, gosh, for 10 years I played soccer out here.
You played soccer for 10 years?
Oh, come on now.
This is beautiful.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I like that. It's already level, all ready to go. We're not gonna have to bring in a ton of dirt, so that'll save us some time.
What are you guys looking to do?
So yeah, I would love an outside area to relax. I love to read.
Definitely need 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
And the kids on the other side of the house.
Oh.
So you want to build this house basically to get away from your kids,
That is
right?
not what she said. See, I'm a
There's
better
nothing wrong with
listener.
that. There's nothing wrong with that.
I hear that. So we want a split floor plan.
And we definitely need 3 bathrooms. That's a must.
There was an emphasis on that.
Yes.
3 bathrooms. I hear that. Okay.
Yes, that's
What
a must.
else are we going to need in the home?
Well, I definitely want a office space. I am a makeup artist. I do work from home a lot and have my clients come over.
Okay.
So as far as style, what have you guys been dreaming about?
I like the clean look, so just pretty much white cabinets, neutral colors.
Okay.
He's the opposite.
Uh-oh.
My dream house is modern. I like dark colors. I like shiny. I like bling. That's
Chandeliers.
my chandelier.
You like bling?
Yes, bling. That's
Okay.
that's me.
Neutral palette, over the top bling.
This one might be tricky.
What's your budget for the build?
Our budget is $335,000.
We've got to get this one built quick for you
Yes.
guys.
We're gonna do some inspiration tours. I think once I walk you guys through some different spaces, we see different color palettes and materials, it will make the decision-making process easier.
I'm interested to see what's going to happen here. Is he going to convince her on the bling,
No.
or are you going to convince him to go more neutral?
We'll see.
Let's go, guys. Today, I'm gonna be meeting my clients, Bettina and Yada. I'm gonna show them a collection of different homes. The nice thing is they really gave me an idea of what the floor plan is gonna look like already, but we have to figure out what kind of design elements are going in their dream home. So today is all about style and basically compromise, because right now they are not on the same page. So looking at this home, they're kind of on a darker palette.
I like it. I love it. This is my house right here.
It's just too dark for my style.
Do you guys like different textures? You got stucco and stone.
Yes, I love the stone.
Okay, so we can have some fun with maybe doing some different textures.
For sure. Wow.
Wow. Yes.
I hear 2 wows.
This is nice.
I love this color.
The stairway has gold and silver, so of course he would like it because
That's
it's
why
shiny.
I
He
like
likes it.
Not my style.
Okay, so let's see if this next house is more your style.
Okay.
Awesome.
What do you think of this formal dining room? It's definitely light, bright.
I do like it. Why? I don't like how it's a separate room.
Okay, so I know the ensuite bathroom is really important to you guys. I think this one could be a good compromise.
Wow.
This is huge. This is a upgrade. I
Yes.
love the big shower. I love the countertop.
Yeah, it's still
Dark.
dark. Yes, I don't like the countertop color.
Bettina and Yada have completely different taste in design. I want to make sure that they're both happy in this dream home. That's what the inspiration tours are for. We've got our kitchen here. Got some lighter colors for you, Yada.
Oh yeah. It just opens up the room. You see what I'm talking about now? How it just looks brighter, it just looks more open.
I like how it's not all white. I mean, this has a little bit of you and this has a little bit of me.
They did the 2-tone cabinets. Your upper and lowers are actually different. There's a lot of contrast there.
Too much contrast. I think I like white cabinets. Maybe a little bit of contrast on the island.
Okay,
I
so
think that'll
maybe
give it a
we
little
can-
pop.
Do a different color for the island.
Yeah.
Getting closer.
Yeah.
Phew. Are you a fan of having like the dark finishes for your...
I do like that.
Yeah?
Yeah. And the lighting.
The lighting.
I really like
So the light fixtures with kind of
Yes.
like the more darker finishes.
I love the dark lighting.
Bettina, we better leave while she's saying this. Let's go. Yes, mission accomplished. Today is the day that we are going to finally reveal the plans for Bettina and Yada's dream home. So good to see you two again. I'm sure you're excited.
I'm excited.
Very
I'm super
excited.
excited.
We had a lot of fun on the inspiration tours. I was paying attention to every detail, your reactions on different things that we saw and elements. So I hope we got this right.
Shoulder roll.
Let's start from what you're gonna see when you drive up to this beautiful property.
We have a ton of different textures on the house. We're gonna have stone. We've got cedar shake siding, some cool circle windows.
It's gonna have a lot of pop and it's gonna be a statement.
Would you say bling?
Oh yeah, that's the bling.
Yeah, there's your bling.
With
There's
the
your bling.
outside, different textures and materials.
The 2-car garage is gonna be right up front when you pull in.
Yeah, on that garage, we kind of want to put it to the side.
Okay. So more of like a courtyard side entry.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, we can do that.
So moving into the home, the most important thing is making sure that it functions for your family, your business. So right from the entryway, we'll have a nice warm welcome to the foyer, and right to your immediate left, a really nice dining room so you can host all the parties.
Awesome.
If you notice, your great room and your kitchen all seamlessly flow into that space. You will have a different color for the island. And we put the microwave in there, which will be very convenient. I love that.
And then from the great room, it's gonna lead right out to a beautiful lanai. We're gonna do sliding glass doors to really give that indoor-outdoor feel with a ton of natural light.
French doors. Is
You want French doors instead?
Yes, I would love.
That's an easy fix now.
Yes, I would love to have that
Okay.
farmhouse vibe.
French doors it is, I like it.
One area that we did not compromise on, because I know this is super important, is doing the split floor plan with the bedrooms. So we have the main suite on one side of the house, and guess where the kids are going?
Other side of the house.
Other side of the house, that's right.
I'm totally okay with that.
The kiddos are all gonna be over here on this side. Their rooms are exactly the same size, and they're all gonna have their own space, which I know that's not really what they have now.
I love that. You guys
And
nailed
most
it.
importantly, their own bathroom.
That's awesome.
And we strategically placed the laundry room on their side of the home.
That's good.
Even
That's
better.
good.
Put in the work.
Your main suite, it's gonna be a really good sized room. You're gonna have a beautiful ensuite bathroom with double vanities, so you can have your area and you
Awesome.
can have your own area. And then also, I know that you have your own business, and I'm gonna be a client because I need help with my
course.
makeup, girl.
Of course.
I wanted to make sure that you have an office and another half bath right there near where your quarters are.
That's amazing. I can't wait.
So what do you guys think so far? I mean,
I just totally love it. I love it.
We love it.
So guys, we know you got a steal on this lot for $27,000. We wanted to make sure to give you everything you want, so we were able to give you the 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,200 square feet, 2-car garage, and keep it in the budget. Perfect.
Bettine and Yada have an overall budget of $335,000. $300,000 of that is going to be for the actual build, and $35,000 is going to be left for furnishing, landscaping,
and a cool special project that we can surprise them with. Day one, let's do it. You know, there's always pressure building a house in 100 days, but this one is gonna be added pressure because they've been waiting for 4 years to get started on their dream home, so we gotta make sure this one's right. All our supplies are getting delivered, everything's timing out perfectly. Not only are we scraping the ground today, we're also laying out the house with a survey. We're digging the footers. Bring it up. We're starting to dig the well. All that has to be synchronized together. We need it that way to get this house done in 100 days. So far, day one's looking good. The next thing is to go vertical with our cinder blocks and the walls start going up. That's when it really starts taking shape.
How high can you go with one hand?
Hey, Mama.
Hey, how's it going?
It's looking good here.
Oh, nice. Listen, I actually had an idea in mind. You know, obviously Yada runs her business from the house. I
Right.
think we need to put a private entryway there.
But, I mean, that wall's starting to go up like as we speak.
Oh,
Yada's a makeup artist, and we knew we wanted to do a dedicated space for her, but we were always planning for the entrance to be inside the house. So I love the idea. I just wish we would have had it like a month ago. Mika, you and your ideas at the last possible second.
I mean, wouldn't you think that would be ideal for clients not to have to go through the whole house?
I mean, I gotta talk to the guys, I gotta talk to Wall, see if we can still do it. If we're gonna do it, we gotta do it now, so.
Please make it happen. It'll make a big difference
Okay.
with running our home business.
All right, let's see what we can do.
Talk to you later.
Bye. All right, so that was my boss, Mika, and she was just thinking, she actually had a great idea. Rather than having the customers of Yada and the makeup studio walking through the entire house, she's thinking about putting a door right off the makeup studio.
So I think it's a good idea not going through the front door, but we have to make that change immediately. We got to get the guys on it, and we can make that happen.
So we're standing in the great room right now. You know, when the drywall goes up, that's when you can really start seeing each room take its own shape. Stucco's going on the outside. We're starting on the back porch. Siding's on the front porch. So ton of different trades here at the same time. That's how we get it done in 100 days or less. There's so much going on today here at Bettine and Yada's Dream Home. We've got landscaping going in. We've got a special project makeup room going in. Got appliances getting delivered. Oh.
At this point, it's all about divide and conquer, so I'm gonna handle everything going on inside the home. I'm gonna delegate the exterior to you.
Hey, Dad, let's figure out where this tree's gonna go. I got my dad here working with me. Best part is he's absolutely free, so he helps us control the budget.
Stop, right there. That's good, that's good.
This way?
Good, oh, too much.
The stone and the cedar shake, while it's beautiful, it's almost too much of it, so this will break it up nice right in the middle.
What about Christmas decorations? Huh?
You're already done. Feliz Navidad.
Our special project for Yada should be done today.
We're gonna find the screws they use to screw the drywall.
Ooh, I found one. Boom.
See, look at that.
It's like magic.
First timer.
Yada knows she's getting an office space, but I'm giving her a full makeup studio. Bam! When she walks into this thing, I want it to be ready for her to have her customers walk right in.
It's looking awesome in here.
Solid, I love it.
I think we have the indoors figured out for a special project. I want to do another special project on the outdoors for the whole family.
Ooh.
This fire pit turned out incredible.
Absolutely.
We know Bettina and Yada have a huge family and extended family, so this is gonna be a great spot for them. Today's only day 94. Usually we have another 6 days to green up the grass, but we're gonna bring Bettina and Yada home a little sooner, so I gotta try to green up this grass as quick as possible.
Woo. Today is the day before the big reveal for Bettina and Yada. We have our final touches, and guess what? We're a little early. It's very rare that we're doing a reveal early, so I'm kind of excited that I'm not scrambling as much. Beautiful.
I just hope they're not upset with us, because we promised 100 days, and we're gonna be at 95.
They'll be good. This is awesome. It looks so good. I've got my whole design team, all hands on deck, just making sure that everything is perfect.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Y'all ready?
Man, this is awesome.
I love the colors.
Oh, man.
Today's the day!
Wow.
So we know you guys have been waiting 4 years since you originally bought this piece of land, so we don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer, so we did it 5 days faster than usual.
I love it.
Awesome.
Bettina and Yada's dream home was an extra special project for us. They are so optimistic and positive. I just hope they love everything. I'm pretty sure they will.
You about to start crying?
Nah, that's just sweat coming out of my eye.
The team worked so hard.
You guys nailed it.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not gonna cry.
I just know how excited you guys are, so I cannot wait to show you the inside. After you.
Yeah, you guys go first.
Do the honors, do the
Welcome
honors.
home, guys.
This is my home.
Oh, wow. Look at this kitchen.
Oh,
wow.
my God. Look at the flooring. The lighting. Everything. Oh my gosh. I love the colors.
Man, this looks huge.
Oh, Yada.
This looks huge.
She's like, I'm not messing up my makeup.
Is it safe to say that it was worth the wait for 4 years?
Oh, yeah.
You guys ready to go check out the kids' rooms?
Oh, yes.
Excited.
All right, let's do it.
I don't even want to step on the carpet.
This,
Right?
this is,
Oh my
oh,
gosh.
she is gonna love this.
It's perfect size. Can I go check out that other room?
Yes,
Yeah, cool.
come on.
Oh, wow, look at this. And they're gonna be side by side.
They're gonna have their own bathroom. Oh my gosh.
Getting further from the kids. We're getting further from the kids.
I love it.
Oh, wow, look at this right here.
Wow. I love the dark tan to go with the light colored walls.
Have a nice contrast.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's check out this ensuite. Your own separate areas.
Wow.
Look at this.
I love it.
Wow, that's a huge shower.
Our shower.
Yes.
Like, we're not gonna share it.
Why don't we go check out your office just past this door?
Past this door. You guys.
I think that means she likes it.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
I love it.
Did you guys build this in? So much space, so much cabinet.
Well,
Oh my God.
when your clients show up, they don't have to walk through your whole house.
Can I walk in and walk
Yes.
out?
Yes, girl.
Oh my goodness. I love it.
I'm so happy for her.
I never had nothing like this.
We wanted to do a special project that the whole family could enjoy. So we have one more surprise. Welcome to your backyard.
We got a fire pit.
We really see this as a place where all your family, you know, the ones that live next door,
Yes,
down the street,
everybody.
your mom, all the kids to gather around this fire pit and make great memories here.
See, this is gonna be the hangout spot.
Wow.